In this video, I'll guide you through how to open the command palette in Cursor.AI and start using it to run commands quickly and efficiently. Even though this is a simple process, I'll walk through it slowly and clearly so you know exactly what to expect on your screen and how to make the most of it. First, go ahead and open Cursor on your computer. Make sure the application is fully launched and you're looking at the main interface, whether that's a project you already have open or a new empty workspace. You can be in any file or view inside Cursor for this to work. The command palette is available across the editor, so there's no special mode you need to be in. Once Cursor is open, the key to everything is a simple keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press the keys Control, Shift, and P all at the same time. It can help to place your fingers first, one on Control, one on Shift, and then tap P while holding the other two keys down. Try to press them together in a smooth motion, and don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to get used to the feel of it. When you press Control plus Shift plus P, you should see the command palette appear at the top of the Cursor window. It usually looks like a small bar or panel that slides or fades in near the top, with a text field ready for you to type into. If nothing appears, double check that Cursor is the active window by clicking on it once, then try the shortcut again. Also make sure you're using the Control key and not the Windows key, as that's a common mix-up. With the command palette now visible at the top, your cursor should automatically be inside the input field. That means you can start typing right away. And the command palette is designed to let you search for and run a wide variety of commands without hunting through menus. Start by typing the name of a command you want to use. You don't have to type the full name perfectly. Just entering a few letters or a partial word is usually enough for Cursor to show you a matching list. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear below the input field. These are the commands Cursor thinks you might be looking for. You can keep typing to narrow down the list, or use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move up and down through the available options. This makes it much faster than scrolling through menus, especially once you get familiar with the names of common commands you use regularly. When you see the command you want to run, you have two options. You can either press Enter right away if the correct command is already selected, or use the arrow keys to highlight a different one and then press Enter. Pressing Enter will immediately execute the chosen command. Depending on what you selected, you might see a change in the editor, a new panel open, a file action run, or another tool or feature activate. If you change your mind or open the command palette by accident, you can simply press Escape to close it and return to whatever you were doing. Over time, you'll find that using Control plus Shift plus P to open the command palette becomes second nature, and it can significantly speed up how you work in Cursor. So to quickly recap in practice, open Cursor, press Control plus Shift plus P on Windows to bring up the command palette at the top, start typing the command you want, and press Enter to run it. Once you're comfortable with this flow, you'll be able to access powerful features in Cursor without ever taking your hands off the keyboard.